Hi guys, welcome back to Cup of Teach. Today, we're going to discuss direct variation. What is direct variation? Direct variation is a relationship between two quantities, in which an increase in one quantity produces an increase in another. Let us consider x and y as the two quantities. As x increases, y also increases. As x decreases, y also decreases. Let's have your y varies directly as x. Keywords varies directly. Another, y is directly proportional to x. Keywords, directly proportional. So if we're going to write that in equation, that is y is equal to kx, or y is equal to k times x, where k is constant of the variable, and k is equal to y over x. And this is the graph of direct variation. How to determine the constant k of variation if the given is stable? Values of x 1, 2, 6, and 20. Values of y 6, 12, 36, and 120. Always remember, in direct variation, constant is equal to y over x, or that is k is equal to y over x. By substitution, we can get the value of the constant. First column, value of y is 6, and x is 1. So that is k is equal to 6 over 1. Always remember, the numerator is your y, and the denominator is your x. Then divide the 2, that is 6. Let's go to the second column. Value of y is 12, value of x is 2. So that is k is equal to 12 over 2, or 12 divided by 2. Therefore, the constant is 6. Let's go to the third column. Value of y is 36 and x is 6. So that is k is equal to 36 divided by 6. Therefore, k is equal to 6. Last column, y is 120 and x is 20. So we will have now k is equal to 120 divided by 20. So the answer is 6. You have noticed here that they have the same constant. Therefore, the constant is 6, or k is equal to 6. Let's have here another example. Determine the constant k of variation and complete the table. So in this case, we're going to look for complete value of x and y. So yung nasa dulo, that is the complete value of x and y. Therefore, we can use this to solve for the constant. So always remember, k is equal to y over x for the direct variation. So by substitution, the value of y is 12 and the value of x is 4. That is k is equal to 12 over 4. Divide the 2, therefore k is equal to 3. That is the constant. So since meron na tayong constant, we're going to solve now for the value of y and value of x by using the equation y is equal to kx for direct variation. By substitution, let's go to the first column. So y, we do not have value for y. So you just copy y is equal to k is 3. So that is 3. And x is 2. That is why we have here 2. Multiply the 2, that is 6. Let us write here 6. Next, let's go to the third column para same y. So we do not have y here. So you just copy y is equal to 3. That is your constant. Negative 3, that is the value of x. Multiply the 2, that is negative 9. Let us write here negative 9. Next is value of x. That is the missing. So by substitution again, y, the value of y is negative 6. So that is negative 6 is equal to k, that is 3. And then we do not have value for x. Then solve for x by dividing both sides by 3. Cancel 3. Therefore, Sa right side, matitira ang x. And then, negative 6 divided by 3, that is negative 2. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. So, let us write here, negative 2. Let's have another example. Using k as the constant of variation, express the following equation of variation. Number 1, the variable c varies directly as b. So we're going to translate that into equation. But first, we're going to look for the keywords. And the keywords varies directly. So that is c is equal to k times b, wherein k is the constant. Let's have another. The price M is directly proportional to the number of items D. Keywords, directly proportional. So let us translate that into equation. That is M is equal to K times D, wherein K is the constant. Let's have here an example of problem. Y varies directly as X and Y is equal to 21 when X is equal to 3. Find the equation of variation. First, we're going to translate y varies directly as x. In equation, that is y is equal to kx, wherein k is constant. Next, y is equal to 21 when x is equal to 3. By substitution, we're going to substitute 21 for y and 3 for x. So that is 21 is equal to k times 3. Since we're going to find for the equation of the variation, so we're going to simplify this. So that is 21 is equal to 3k. That is the equation. Number 2, y is directly proportional to x and y is equal to 16 when x is equal to 8. Find the constant k of the variable. First, we're going to translate y is directly proportional to x. In equation, that is y is equal to kx, wherein k is constant. Next, y is equal to 16 when x is equal to 8. By substitution, we're going to substitute 16 to y, 8 to x. So that is 16 is equal to k times 8. Then since we're going to find the constant, therefore we're going to solve for k by dividing both sides by 8. So you can remove 8 now. Then sa right side, matitira ay k. Left side, we're going to divide 16 and 8. So that is 2. Therefore, k is equal to 2. That is the constant. Number 3, y varies directly as x and y is equal to 36 when x is equal to 4. Find y when x is equal to 11. First, we're going to translate y varies directly as x in equation. That is y is equal to kx, wherein k is constant. Next is y is equal to 36 when x is equal to 4. Let us substitute 36 for y, 4 for x. That is 36 is equal to k times 4. Then solve for k by dividing both sides by 4. You can cancel 4. Then sa right side, matitira ay k. Then 36 divided by 4, that is 9. Therefore, k is equal to 9. So, since meron na tayong constant, we can solve now for y. Let us use the original equation of the direct variation. Y is equal to kx. Since we have here k. Then, the value of x is 11 by substitution. Let's have your y is equal to 9. That is your k. Times 11, that is your x. Multiply the 2. Y is equal to 99.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!